Hey, it's Robbie Lawless with Lawless Customs. I have a special treat for all you Camaro fans out there. We have a 69 Camaro powered by a supercharged LS9 out of a ZR1 Corvette. About to show you all the little tricks we did to it. We built the car, every nut and bolt, body paint, the entire build at Lawless Customs. Come check it out. Difference between an old school big block or small block with a carburetor versus, you know, an LS fuel injected supercharged engine. Is just no comparison in how quiet, smooth, you know, plenty enough power for the street. It's 650 horsepower or so with the tune. It's just insane. But it's like driving a Cadillac, you know, at moderate speed, and when you stick your foot in it, it's just, it turns on. And the power is there. And you don't even know the power is there. That's how smooth the engine is. You don't know it's there until you put your foot in it. Got TCI Suspension, 4-link, tubular subframe. It's all TCI, Willwood brake, 4-way adjustable coilovers, and it still rides really nice. We got an anti-roll bar set up on it. We got it I got it adjusted, not real stiff. You know, it's medium adjusted. We're not really doing any road racing or anything with it. It's just you know, customers gonna drive it and enjoy it. You know, this car was built originally to compete in the ISCA World of Wheels show car circuit. We traveled with it. It did really well. It's the number one car in the country. It won the championship for semi hardtop, and it's the number 5 car, the top 5 cars in the country. This is number 5, 2013. It did really well. Painted smooth fender wells. The entire floorboard and chassis all chrome, smoothed out. Beautiful car. But now it's time to enjoy it, and we'll be giving it back to the customer pretty soon. We're still doing some test driving and some road testing with it. You know, once we get it squared away, we'll give it back to the customer and he can enjoy it. All right, that concludes the test ride on the LS9 Camaro. Stay tuned for more here at Lawless Customs. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more here at Lawless Customs in Slidell, Louisiana.